In this video, I'll talk about how you can auto-invest in Webull. Now, there are currently two ways that you can do this, and one is using the Webull Smart Advisor, and the other one is just setting up a recurrent investment. Now, the Smart Advisor, to use that, you want to open up the Webull app, and then you want to head to Webull Smart Advisor. In there, you want to answer your risk assessment questionnaire, and then Webull will recommend a portfolio based on your risk level. After that, you just want to deposit some money, and then the robo-advisor will automatically invest and rebalance your portfolio over time. Now, if you want to make a recurring investment, what you want to do is open the Webull app or the desktop app, not the website, but the desktop app. And then you want to head to the stock or ETF that you want to auto-invest. Click on Trade and select Recurring Investment from the trade options. Then you can select the amount and when you want it to be done, and then you just want to confirm and submit your auto investment plan. So those are the two ways that you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.